So continuing on with our survival theme from the Dollar Tree, going through some different medicines. They have this name brand Tylenol, but why this is good as opposed to getting the generic where you just get a lot more is that they come in these little packs. So they're not going to take up much room. Now, I got some ibuprofen too. This is in a small bottle. Like this, and it contains 40 pills. So I couldn't find one of these. I wanted one of these packaged like this. Maybe it would have been Motrin, and then they would be smaller, but that's what we have. Then too, they have low-dose aspirin. Rather than say a bunch of things about it, I'm just going to point you to the idea that taking 2 aspirins during or after a heart attack is a really good move and a lifesaver, I guess, in some situations. But rather than advise you on that, I'm just going to say that this is a valuable thing to have, the low dose, and maybe talk to your doctor about it to see if you're in kind of the high-risk group or not for heart attacks or whatever. But, also too, if you're in groups with people that might be, that's good to have. I wanted to mention, now usually aspirin now, it's not used for children anymore under 18 because of this Reye syndrome that children can get sometimes. So, the big move over to, usually for children, they want Tylenol or acetaminophen. I'm tripping on my tongue today. And the ibuprofen. Just to talk about these two different things, we have, this tends to decrease pain and fever, and this one decreases inflammation and pain. So what's up? Well, this works mostly by being an anti-inflammatory. So in other words, if you say you've sprained your ankle, it can be very painful, and partially because you're getting swelling and things. And, that's pressing against things that don't want to be pressed against. So sometimes taking a anti-inflammatory medicine, even an over-the-counter one, is going to help more than taking something just for pain, and might even do better than a prescription thing for pain, if it's purely inflammation. I've noticed that with some of the medicine that I take, that sometimes this does a better job than some of the other things, depending on the type of pain. And, again, we got 3 things here, so, and we got loads of more than we need, actually, but, so these were each $1.25 a piece, so that's, almost $4, not bad, for 3 medicines that you can keep in your kit, keep in the car for a little emergency kit, keep in your backpack, and just the idea. And that's why I was looking for the backpack idea. I'm looking specifically for these smaller ones. Now, you can sometimes get them, of course I'm trying to be cheap getting them, or frugal. A lot of times some of the stores, like the convenience stores, will have, like I think I've seen in Cumberland Farms, they'll have these small packages of something like this. So you could perhaps get some ibuprofen in a small one like this, and they usually cost about $2.80, so they're more than double what something might be in the Dollar Tree. But there you go, some medicines to have, just in case. And in a bit, we'll switch over to doing some videos where we're actually using some physical thing that we could get at the Dollar Tree. Bye.